Hi everyone and welcome from Alton Towers, where we're here for the Run Alton Towers event, where we're going to be staying at Splash Landings Resort. I'm not going to show you the this hotel because we stayed there a few months ago. If you want to see the review of that, check through the previous vlogs to see about the Splash Landings video. And we're also going to be staying at the Cbeebies. We're going to be staying in a different room this time, so we're going to show you everything that there is to explore at Cbeebies Land, and we're also going to be checking out the Extraordinary Golf, which is also part of the package of what you get when you stay at these Alton Towers resorts. So yeah, we're going to be doing the run tomorrow, so we'll do a full vlog for that and a full vlog for these hotels as well. So come and join us. Let's go check out the resort here at Alton Towers. So you can see the Extraordinary Golf that's in front of us there, all themed around rides and past rides of Alton Towers. Are you excited for doing this, Casper?
Yeah, I hope we're going a roller coaster on with Oblivion.
Eaton's excited. Oh yeah, and one of the great things is all the music as well, isn't it? So it's playing the Alton Towers music as we're going down. Looks really great. I like this. I mean, it could do to have an update, some more modern rides now, but it's still a really great golf course in terms of the UK mini golf courses. This is fantastic. So yeah, this is all included in your admission or in your price when you stay at the Alton Towers Resort. So yeah, let's go check it out. The Extraordinary Golf here at Alton Towers.
I'm going green.
Excellent lighting package they've got here. Looks fantastic in the dark. It's really good. Eden's just got it in the bunker there. We all ended up in the bunker down there, in fact. So yeah, I mean, here comes Casper. Oh. Right, so yeah, don't get in the stream. So this is the Galactica one. So either you can hit it through the little metal tunnel there across towards the hole across the side there, or you can hit it hard across the ditch. Right, go on, Casper. Give us what you got.
Just let it start, but just set yourself up properly. That's not right.
What?
How do you stand with a golf ball?
Here he goes.
Yay!
Hey, great shot. So you got two.
Which one's a purple one? This one?
This one here.
I think that one, yeah.
Mummy go next, then Eden.
Oh!
Get off, get off!
I'll just stop.
I don't want you to stop it, that's not the game.
Casper, never mind. It's Eden's go. Go on, Eden.
Look at yours.
There we go.
In the dark. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Ready? Oh.
Hey!
Nearly.
Good morning and welcome from the Alton Towers Resort. We're here at the Cbeebies Land Hotel, the only one in the country, specially designed for preschoolers and children. So yeah, we're staying in the Bing room, so that's a special character room upcharged to stay there, and it's an absolutely fantastic hotel for kids. It's all based around safeguarding. You've got to have one of these lanyards. You can't just wander in. All the other hotels on the resort, you can actually just go in and have a wander around. This one you can't. For obvious reasons. We're going to go in and check it out, so come with us and let's go check out the Cbeebies Land Hotel. See, in true Alton Towers style, they're all themed, which is great, and there is music that gets played. There's always a delay in these ones, make sure no one gets the fingers trapped. So what music are we going to get in here? Oh, that sounds like nice music, doesn't it? Do you like it, Eden?
Yeah.
So we've got all the bugbees around the outside of the lift, and that brings us out onto our floor. And this is really special because it brings us onto the balcony of the reception, which is really, really cool. So you can see everything that's going on down there, which is really, really nice. And so everything is has to be scanned with cards. That prevents kids from just running off and getting into places. So that's really useful for anyone who's going with small kids. So once you scan that, you can open that and head down to your room. So we're staying on the first floor this time, which is where the Bing rooms are. You can see all the walls are all adorned with the bugbees because it's Cbeebies Land Hotel, and all the carpets are themed with all musical stars and notes, which is really cool. Big numbers on the doors. Again, they've all got those things in the on the doors to prevent kids from getting the fingers trapped. You can see the little red things there, which is great. You see all these little windows here. Those little portholes look out onto where the restaurant is. So we was just down there just a few moments ago, which is really, really good. So we're heading down to where our room is now, and we'll give you a full room tour of our room. But yeah, this is the Cbeebies Land Hotel, so...
Dad, do this.
And there we go. That is And here we are in the Bing room. So just walked into the main entrance, and as you can see, Robin's there modelling it. So there's Hoppity Whoosh, and I can't remember what that was called, but that's really, really cute. And you can see in here there's some little sensory games for kids to take part in as well, a little bit of tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses for us English folk. And there is Bing there and his friends. They've got a TV in here, which is really good. A nice little cute nightlight scenery here. This is one of the newest ones. It was only new for this year, so and it comes with bunk beds. So there's the top, the bottom, and there's also a roll-away bed underneath as well, which is really, really good. And you can see the little pictures of Bing and all his friends there as well. And there's a little light switch for them to be able to control the light up there as well. And that's really cute. And also, there's all sorts of themed carpet, which is one of the signatures of Alton Towers, really, having all this themed carpet with all sorts of musical instruments. And there's a Bing book down there. And yeah, and there's all his friends. And even the door is themed there as well. And it comes complete with a little bit of a chain. So that's all nice and safe here as well, so kids can't wander out. You get an ironing board with an iron on there, it's propped up. And there's also a little baby bath as well. So they're always thinking about the little ones in here. All the walls are completely themed. Ethan's having a great time in here. And then the bathroom, you can see again the door is all completely themed as part of Bing. Great here because they've got these little plastic things put on it, so to prevent kids from trapping their fingers in. So it is really, really good here. Everything's thought of with children in mind as well. Little sunshine mirror, that's really cool. And yeah, this looks really, really nice. Nice little window to Bing's world outside there. And little duckies and all sorts of stuff. And the shower looks really good, really clean, looks really nice. So yeah, and it comes with a full bottle of Carex as well, so that's great. And as we go out, Bing's on the reverse of the door as well, so that's good to see Bing's there making an appearance. And as we come out, there's also a cot in here for the children, so you don't need to bring anything of your own because they've also got the cots here for you. And there's a hairdryer underneath as well if you need that. So moving down further from here, you can see there's a full-size mirror there that's got everything to be able to check yourself in the morning. Eden's excited. And you can see the bed. This looks like a queen-size bed to me. It's bigger than a double. It's not quite a king, but it looks bigger than what you get in Splash Landers, which was just a double bed, and it's really quite small, to be honest. And you can see all it's not too busy. There's a lot of stuff going on, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. It's really cute, isn't it? I really like it. I think we've stayed in 3 different rooms here. We've stayed in the Postman Pat one, the Justin.
Pat small, like this.
Yes, yeah.
Something special, which was a suite.
Yes. I must point out that the Something Special was a suite, but this is a standard themed character room that you can pay. It's an upcharge. The Boopy is a standard room, and then you can pay for the individual characters. So we paid for the Bing room here. Like I said, this is the new for this year, and there's all these characters just above the bed. That is really cute.
Can I have that in our bedroom?
Yeah, it's really cute, isn't it? It is so. And you can see they've got a little bit of a pagoda at the top as well, which is all themed in the room, and they've got little kind of little night lights dangling from the top there as well, which is really, really cute. And then the backlit behind the characters to make them look really cute. And yeah.
I think I'm the most excited person.
I know. Well, you can see Casper's there with his curse key. Not really bothered about the Bing room. Eden, are you excited about this Bing room?
Taking picture.
Oh, she's taking pictures. She's not excited.
Eden doesn't really watch Bing, which is weird because it's exactly for her age.
Yeah.
Casper used to watch it, didn't you?
You used to like Bing, didn't you? Yeah, I mean, as you come down here, you can see there's a little pathway in the carpet to lead you to where the main bedroom area is here. And then we've got all flowers and bits of grass in the carpet. You can see Bing's friends are playing there. And it's so cute, I have to say. A little bit of there's a lamp there too. We've got the television's themed into the screen there. It feels like you've been transporting to Bing's world, doesn't it?
It does.
Really, really cute. Eden's having a good time. Also, down here, we've brought our own bed guard as well, just in case, because you never know what you're going to get in these places. So we've brought a bed guard, but in here, we've also got a small fridge as well. So that's good. So there's nothing in it, however, it's great. So if you want to bring something and keep it nice and chilled, you've got a fridge there as well, which is really nice. Well, you've got a makeup area, and there's also a bottle warmer there, which is great for anybody with small children, because of course this is all designed for preschool children, really. So yeah, and of course this is Casper's birthday tomorrow. So the very, very lovely left a certificate for him to say happy birthday, which is great. So that's really, really nice. Thank you, Alton Towers, for that. And as usual with Alton Towers, we've got all the usual tea and coffee making facilities. And it's a nice little touch here because they let you know who it is who's prepared the room for you. So that you can leave an appropriate tip if they've done a good job. And I have to say, they've done a very good job in here, and it looks absolutely lovely. Yeah, what a lovely room it is. And yeah, can't wait to go out and explore more of the hotel that we haven't seen already. So yeah, let's go and check out the rest of Cbeebies Land Hotel. So we've come through the reception and we've come to the main area where all the entertainment takes place. So that's this area here, and so love it. There's Eden and Casper. Casper celebrating his 7th birthday, and yeah, so this is where it looks really, really nice. It's all themed with all trees around the edge. It's got low lighting. There's all bean bags for kids to sit on whilst there's shows taking place, and they're watching Yakadee, so Eden's really happy that Yakadee's on. Last night when we came in, there was Octonauts that was on here. They have Bing shows. There's all sorts of entertainment for kids. It all takes place in here in the evening and throughout the day as well, which is great for all the little ones as well. And it looks really, really, you can see all the floors all themed as well with little rainbows, musical instruments, and as you look around there, you see there's a person over there that's got a little monster in their cabinet as well, and there's a bar there for the evening too. So that's really, really nice. It looks lovely in here, and there's also some toilets just there as well. And yeah, so this is the entertainment area where you can see all the shows here. And there are lots and lots of shows available. So you can see through those little portholes there, which is where the restaurant is. We're going to go and have our breakfast in a moment. We're going to go check out what's in there for breakfast. So Casper, you're going to show us, because there's lots of interactive buttons here to press. So you can see there's a little fire engine there, and the Cbeebies driving. That's really cool, isn't it? What have we got down here? Oh, and all the flowers start turning. This is really cool, because this is all in the reception area as soon as you come through. This is really good. And there's a little knocker. Who's looking through the letterbox there as well?
Cbeebies.
It's one of the Cbeebies, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's all the Cbeebies. This is the Cbeebies Cbeebies house that you can see there. And there's more there as well. Which is really good. And there's a little express checkout post box for you to chuck your keys through when you're finished as well, which is right there. And on the other side, there's a little tunnel for kids to go through to head into the Cbeebies toy shop. And then, do you have a look at this over here? A little interactive book, so you can press these buttons here that are, and it makes all different things happen on this giant thing as you come through the door there. And there's other buttons here as well, so you can press that one. So change the lighting, change the music, and it has all sorts of little instruments located around the side, which is really good. And there is the check-in desk. It's got little stairs as well for kids to be able to get up when you come in, which is really nice. Should we go and have a look further around here, Casper? Yeah? Let's go and have a look around here. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's Mum, she's down there, so we head back towards the entertainment area. And there's a little thing that has where all the character meet and greets are. So there's Spot Bart, Let's Dance, Swashbuckle, Andy's Prehistoric Show, and the Octonauts, which is really, really good. So we're going to go and have our breakfast now and check that out. So we've sat down for breakfast in the Windmill restaurant now, and we've all got a nice big fry. You've got some pancakes there, Casper. How are they?
I like pancakes.
You like birthday pancakes?
Yeah.
So, and Eden, what have you got over there? You've eaten the yoghurt already, is it good? One of the great things about this restaurant is it really is catered for little kids, because she's got a booster seat, which you don't get in many UK restaurants, which is really, really good. And I've got a nice big fry up there. So they've got all the usual juices and hot drinks as well, which we've got. And I've got some toast, pastries. And you can see that the actual restaurant is lovely. As you can see, there's a little castle, bit of theme in there. It reminds me of the Legoland restaurant, that. And all the Cbeebies in the background there. So we've got it, and all the floor all the way throughout is themed too. Eden wants to show everyone that she's got a pineapple, which is good. And there is the windmill, because this is the Windmill restaurant. And there's all the little clouds and Cbeebies flying in the planes there, which is really, really cute. So that is the Windmill restaurant that's here. And that's the end of our room tour here and stay at Cbeebies Land Resort, Cbeebies Land Hotel at the Alton Towers Resort. And what did you think?
Yeah, it's really good. I love that big room. I wanted to bring it home.
It's a beautiful little room. It's so cute, so well themed. It's lovely. It really, really is. And it's the perfect place to bring young children as well, isn't it? And even if you didn't have young children, I actually thought you wouldn't think it, because it's designed around preschoolers, but it was really quiet. Dead quiet. I mean, from where we are now, time recording, it's out of season. We've come specifically for the Alton Towers run, and that took place the day before yesterday, as we were now. And yeah, so it is really, really quiet. And it is the best time to, and also just on a side note, it's a good time to visit Alton Towers as well because it's out of season and it's a special event. But yeah, so the hotel was reasonably quiet, wasn't it? Really, really good, and you get good deals for that as well. So in terms of the people who it's aimed for, Casper, what do you think about it?
I really liked it. It looked like it was in the world of Bing, actually.
It looked like it was in the world of Bing.
Good.
It was so good. And Eden, did you enjoy that hotel?
Yeah.
You really enjoyed it. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to us as well, because it really means a lot to us and it helps us keep creating more content as well. So thank you very much. And until then, let the positivity in and
Right.
bye.